How to upload tax forms on FreeTaxUSA. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to freetaxusa.com. Once you're on this website, you want to click on the option of Start 2023 Return. Once you click on this option, if you are a new user, you want to click on the Create Account option. If you are a returning user, you want to enter your username. Then enter your password. After that, click on the sign in option. Once you have been logged into your account, you want to start a new tax return for the year you are filing for. Then you want to click on the option to upload your tax forms. This is located in My Account option. Choose the tax form you want to upload. This could be your 1099K from Uber or any other relevant tax documents. Click on the option to upload the tax form. You will be prompted to browse your computer to locate the file you wish to upload. Once the file is uploaded, verify that the information is accurate. You want to double check that the uploaded document corresponds to the current tax year and matches the information you have received from the issuer. After verifying the information, follow any prompts to submit the uploaded tax form. Once you have uploaded all the necessary tax forms, you can review and make any necessary edits. If you owe taxes, FreeTaxUSA will provide option for making payment. If you are due a refund, you will have the option to have it directly deposited into your bank account or mailed to you as a check. After filing, you should receive confirmation of your submission. If you face any difficulty during any of this process, then make sure to contact the customer support of FreeTaxUSA. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.